Welcome to Electrospark. Let's begin with the virtual tour of our factory. Starting with the front main entrance, we come to the reception area. Next we come to the sheet storage area. We use mild steel, galvanized sheets, stainless steel and aluminium sheets for our products. Now we come to the store area where all the inventory is handled. Our designing team works together to custom design products for our customers. Now let's go out to the manufacturing section. We have high-end 3 kW laser cutting machines, turret punch press machines, CNC press brake machines from Amada, Japan. We have CNC machines like CNC router, edge bending, hot press, beam saw, panel saw from BSA, Italy. We also have high-end power press setup with up to 200-ton capacity, with decoiler. This section covers the nut fitting process. Next is the tool room area comprising of different machines. We have a setup of MIG welding, TIG welding, spot welding, stud welding, and seam welding. This is our quality room. We have a setup of 11 tank process for our pre-treatment line. Powder coating plant is set up by ITW GEMA with automated powder gun. Now we will be moving towards our assembly section, where assemblies of different products are carried out. We perform packaging according to customer requirements. We deliver products worldwide.